stop whining.
What? I said stop whining. People are staring because we're talking to a camera.
Okay, let's turn it this way. Let's go. And we're walking. Store. Books. Look at this creepy cat boutique.
Cat boutique is really creepy.
Who would go into a cat boutique? Like, seriously, who is that creepy?
Cat lover.
To go into a cat boutique.
Chocolate factory.
Chocolate. Ooh, hello, Nicole.
Hello. Let's go down.
We are walking in circles, and now we're gonna go down.
Down an
Down,
escalator.
down, 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 down.
Okay, no.
Okay, this time I'm not gonna fall.
Step.
Oh, crap. I about broke myself. Whoa, I'm glad we got that on. I'm not.
I held on to
I
you.
thought I
You
was gonna
should've
like
just
fall down.
stepped. You're so crazy.
Okay. Oh my god. Ooh, people.
As in he might be. So we have like about 15 minutes.
Oh my gosh, I about had a heart attack on that.